Hey guys, Oliver Nelson here with another video, and we have a special treat for you guys today. You won't believe what we're gonna do. We are gonna be lighting a boat on fire. Yeah, buddy, it's gonna get real fast here. We got my American Eagle sweatshirt, my sweatpants, and my moccasins, and ow, mosquitoes on my hand, and a torch. And we're heading over to light a boat on fire. I think I get to do the honors of, ignore the double chin, that's gonna be away soon. But yeah, we're gonna be lighting this boat on fire. So it's gonna get real. So be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and enjoy the video. Alright guys, this is where the magic happens. Gonna light the boxes on fire first. Light on fire, please. Please. Phil, I need help. You guys don't even know how tempting it is to go climb on top of the part that's not on fire right now. Yeah, it's like raining. Or snowing. Whatever you call it. It's Pompeying up in here. Yep. So yeah, for those who wondered what it looks like when a boat starts on fire, this is it for you. Yeah.
Pirate ship is done.
Yep, there's no more pirates in Minnesota. Whoa. Okay, this is my little brother Hank. And then he's close to the fire. Hank, what do you think about the fire? Spotlight's on you, buddy. What do you think it's on the fire? Nothing? Okay, that's your input from him.
Hey, there's trees.
Yeah, there is trees. Okay. See you guys.